Hi, my name is Rebecca Thompson Hitt, and I'm the founder and executive director of the Consciously Parenting Project. And I am here with my co-facilitator, Rachel.
Yeah, I'm Rachel, and I'll be co-facilitating the Healing Story Circle experiences.
So glad that you're here, Rachel. All right, so we wanted to talk about how to know if this isn't the right time for you right now for a Healing Story Circle weekend. So we wanted to just start with the basics. If your basic survival needs aren't being met right now, so food, shelter, money to put gas in the car, then really take the time, use your resources for that right now. And when that shifts for you in your life, then it would be a better time. You need to not be in a big survival situation to really be present with this kind of an experience.
Yeah. Yeah, and if the thought of the Healing Story Circle, if you've watched the videos and it makes you cringe and feel really uncomfortable, then it's probably not the right time.
That's right. It's your body saying no, and listen to your body. Listen to your body saying no. So if you don't feel safe being vulnerable, then it will be really uncomfortable to be part of this experience. And especially because it's not just 90 minutes, it's a series of 2-hour blocks over 3 days. And so really being clear, if it doesn't feel safe, then saying it's not time right now. It's not time yet.
Yeah, and thinking about that, because it is 3 days with 2-hour blocks, if you can't carve out the time to be present during that, and like we're talking about an extended time, um, and you can't carve out that time, it's not going to work if you're not able to like disconnect a little bit, separate a little bit from your family and have them have some support. So if your commitment to caretaking doesn't allow you to step away consistently, like you have insufficient support, it's not going to work. um, and can you talk a little bit about, Rebecca, about like what sufficient support might look like?
Yeah, because I think this is really important. I've got families in all phases of life, and actually, I have several people right now who are caretaking for older people in their life. And so, for them to have sufficient support, it might mean calling in another relative to come and be with that person so that there's someone there for them over the weekend. If you're parenting young children, it might be your partner who can take the kids so that you can have these experiences and bring them
Yeah.
back so that you can check in, but having someone else who's responsible. If you're caretaking a baby right now, and maybe you're exclusively nursing and you're primarily caring for this baby, having someone else who you can call in to maybe help change diapers and just be a layer of support. Oh, I need a change of clothes for the baby and myself because now we're all just covered in things. Having someone else who can do that for you so that the things aren't falling all on you, and that there's food that either you're preparing ahead of time that's ready for everybody, or you've got someone who can come in and help with that. So it's really thinking in terms of layers of support, and we're going to be talking a lot more about that in a separate video and what that can look like. But that's just start thinking about that. Do I have sufficient support right now at this time in my life to be able to do an experience like this?
Yeah, thanks. Thanks. Yeah, and back again, if you're too busy to show up and be present, then it's not gonna, it's just gonna be too hard.
Right.
Yeah.
And that's okay. There are seasons of life where all of these things are going on and happening, or things that are happening in our lives where vulnerability may be a really big deal right now. So recognizing, what is it right now? Is it a yes for me right now, or is it a no for me right now? And whatever your answer is, know that that's okay, and that's just where you are right now.
Yeah.
So
And that no is maybe more like a not, it could be a not yet. It could
it
just
could
be a
be a
no,
not
but
yet.
it could be a not yet.
Yeah. Or not right now, not today, not
Yeah.
this month. you know, and that's okay too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Rachel.
Thank you.